tell us a little bit about the features of this backpack?
Yeah, well, of course, the main thing is actually you can sit on it, and it's really sturdy. I think it can handle something about 150 kilograms, something like that. That's the main thing of it. But you have a whole lot of compartments here. So you have this pocket here. Yeah, I've got some milk and stuff right now, and you have this pocket here. Two of them actually.
And these are detachable, right?
Yeah, they are. They are detachable by these little toggles here, you can see them. So these are about 2 liters, no, 4 liters each actually. Yeah. So you can have a pretty decent amount of stuff in there.
Your thermos for size would fit.
Yeah, yeah.
Right?
And then some.
And then some,
yeah.
Okay.
This is a really good feature when you are sitting down on it here. And you can just do it like this.
You can open it up.
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
And then you have, I mean, this is important stuff.
Bring the cookies there.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep.
And a shell jacket, and a pocket saw, of course. You know, so it's easy, very easy to reach stuff.
Do you have more milk in there?
Yeah, actually.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Just check.
It's for the cookies.
Yep, absolutely. Yep. Milk and cookies. Got you. What's the name of the backpack?
Fjällräven Stubben.
Yeah. So that could be the Swedish word of the week.
Yeah.
But how do we say stubben in English?
Stubben. Stubben, yeah.
The end of the, you know, when you cut down a tree, the bottom, stubbe.
Yeah, yeah.
Of course, we don't have anything nearby, but that's what this backpack is called because you can usually sit on those.
Yeah.
So this is, yeah. All right, what else do we got?
What else do we got? Yeah, we have, okay, I mentioned that. If we go to the back side here, let's do it like this so you can see. As I mentioned before, this material here is really sturdy, and you can feel it when you're touching it. You can do everything with this backpack. You have it here, you can latch everything here, sunglasses if you need those, a knife or something.
Walkie-talkie for hunting.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Yep.
This is somewhat padded, so it's really it's nice to have it on the back, even for longer walks or longer hikes. I can easily use it for a whole day. Yep.
Looks like you have adjustable straps, chest straps, and shoulder straps.
Yep. That's right.
Emergency whistle there, standard in most Fjällräven backpacks, which is a nice feature. And just for size, how tall are you and how do you think this backpack fits you?
I'm 190 centimeters tall.
Yeah.
And I would say for a day on my back, it's okay. Yep. But more than that, no, it's not supposed to be a several day backpack. No. Because there are no hip belts on it.
Exactly.
So the shoulders...
It's more of a day pack, we can confirm that, yeah. All right, and then you have what's this, you have an opening there on the top lid in the back, what's that?
This is the rain cover.
All right.
And this is orange and made in a material that is obviously rainproof. And it's orange, high visibility color, just because this backpack is a little bit more for the people who are hunting, actually.
Or really into orange. You can go from pretty much invisible to really visible just by folding that. So that's a really nice feature. Yeah. And obviously when you're hunting, it might save your life because people will not mistake you for an animal. Yeah. That's always a nice bonus.
Main thing.
Yeah. Is there a pocket on the other side as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So what do we have? How big is that one?
So this is not really big. I just have some fire starter in here, but I mean the Nordic pocket saw, gloves, a hat.
Notice that you can really, this is a front opening, so it opens all the way up.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go ahead and grab your backpack like it's mine. But I just noticed that, so that's a really nice, so you can really get into it.
Yeah.
And there on the inside, except the milk, you can see the frame right there how sturdy this backpack actually is. Does the bottom open as well, or?
There it is.
But it opens on the inside.
Yeah.
And do you know why?
It's so you can take the frame out.
Ah, okay, okay. So it's not meant to be like an opening for everyday use.
No.
No, exactly.
This is
just for the frame then.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is also part of the frame. So the frame actually goes from the bottom, then up, and then out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this material here is, I think, it is G-1000 HeavyDuty on the bottom, and the regular G-1000 on everything else. Again,
the adaptability, you can choose other side packs like you've seen on the Singi 48. If you just want the smaller gear holder, you can put a rifle there. There's also a strap if you want to hook the rifle up on the side here, you can do that.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of versatility with a bag like this, and I think that's why a lot of hunters use it as well.
Yeah.
What is your favorite thing about this backpack?
It's so really sturdy.
Yep.
And sturdy things that actually looks good.
Yep.
I mean, it goes right into my heart.
Yeah, that was emotional. Nice.
Yeah.
How many liters is this one? I forgot to.
25.
25 liters.
Yeah.
Plus 4 plus 4.
Plus 4. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the frame makes it a load hauler. You can actually, I mean, 30-40 kilograms without a doubt.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much. I'm just going to go ahead and leave you now.
Yeah.
You can. Do you want to say goodbye to the group here?
Yeah, of course. Bye bye. Nice to see you. Or you see me, or something. I don't know.
So if you have any questions, you can just drop them down below in the comment section, and Matti will see them and he can answer them. I think it's a pretty cool looking backpack. I don't have one because I usually aim to be out for more than one day, but I think this is a really cool concept, and just the fact that you can sit on it is pretty cool as well. So I really hope you guys enjoy this review. If you have any questions, just drop them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all those stuff. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.